Things you should be aware of. 1. Heat will yellow yak hair. 2. The hair needs to be able to breathe. And 3. Be careful when styling and be attentive, because things can go wrong really quick. When storing a traditional beard, there's a few things I like to do. Before putting it away for the coming months, I like to wash the pieces in a bluing solution to get out any of the yellow that's accumulated during the last few weeks of the Christmas season. After conditioning to prevent the whiskers from drying out too much, I let the piece air dry. Once dry, I mount it to my styling head and untangle the whiskers.